Assalamualaikum to Professor Dr. Norita and fellow friends. Our group will discuss about the use of Botox in the Muslim community. The feeling of wanting to look always young and beautiful often causes many people are now willing to try to do anything even if they must invest a lot of money. In the past, traditional practices such as massage, eating herbs, dishes and practicing a healthy lifestyle as recommended by dietitians become options. But with the development of the world of beauty experts found various methods to stay beautiful and slim in a short time. Now, Botox injections are increasingly becoming the choice of society because this treatment is able to remove wrinkles around the face and make a person look much younger. The question is whether this treatment is allowed by Islamic law and does it not fall into the category of changing the creation of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala.
Next is the views from the Quran. This Botox injection is an act that is forbidden by God because it is considered as changing God's creation. Based from Surah An-Nisa, verse 119, it is understandable that the act of altering this creation is driven by the lust and temptations of the devil. All forms of surgery that lead to change in human lives are prohibited if performed for the purpose of beauty and for satisfaction and not because there is a medical need that is allowed by Sharia.
Views from the Hadith. The use of Botox for medical purpose changed the law to a must. For the purpose of cosmetic and beauty, the law is haram. Based on a hadith from the Prophet Muhammad SAW, which the meaning that from Ibn Mas'ud radhiyallahu anhu said that I heard the Prophet Muhammad SAW curse women who shave their eyebrows and strike your teeth for beauty because they are altering the creation of Allah. It is clear that the trick of a curse in the hadith indicates the prohibition of altering the creation of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, both for the person who does it and also for the person who asks to do so.
From a scientific perspective, Botox is a drug that weakens or paralyzes muscle. It is a protein made from botulinum toxin, which the bacterium Clostridium botulinum produces. In small doses, it can have benefits. It has both cosmetic and medical uses. As a cosmetic treatment, Botox injections can reduce the appearance of skin wrinkles. Also, in medical uses, the FDA have approved it as a treatment for various health issues, including excessive sweating, bladder disorders, and migraine. However, botulinum toxin also can cause some unwanted effects, including dry eye, numbness, and worsening of neuromuscular disorders.
Okay, the conclusion in this group is, in the context of decoration, the concept of moderating, in addition to identifying the element of purity of decorative materials and avoiding anything that may be self-harming, in a principle that should be held by Muslims. If the Botox substance used is categorized as sacred Shanghai talk, but the element of waste, intention of use and harm that may arise in the long run make the Botox cosmetic injection treatment dispute is valid in terms of Sharia. However, Botox injection for the purpose of treating disease involving muscle fungal failure such as migraine, cervical dystonia, and so on are required. Obviously, the cosmetic treatment with Botox injection, which is the choice especially for women for beauty purpose, are getting rid of wrinkles, has to do with the criteria of changing the creation of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. As Muslim, we must be satisfied with the gift that Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala has bestowed and make the wisdom to the gift as a mirror of self-reflection in order to be obedient as Muslim who are always grateful of His blessing.